Hello, speaker family. Hello. A very lovely afternoon to you all. Wow, what atmosphere here. I am sure this is going to be a great event today. Yeah, well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Prince Kushwaha, and on the behalf of the entire speaker family, I welcome you with a huge round of applause. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you may already know that we are all gathering here to have a conversation. So let's get started with a bang on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, firstly, I would like to call that personality who has won everyone by his stellar and dynamic performance. Yes, guys, it is one and only. It is none other, it is one and only wholesome, awesome and dancing most fluent English speaker, Mr. Sajid. Yes, Mr. Sajid, please come on the stage. Well, ladies and gentlemen, make a noise for him.
Thank you, Mr. Prince, for my lovely intro. To be honest, I feel so excited to be here with a great audience. Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello.
A lovely afternoon to all. Oh my God, what a thrilling atmosphere here is it. I am sure it is going to be a great day with you all. Well, this is Sajid Ansari from Gore. As you already know, gave a short presentation on SpeakWell. So let's kick start now. SpeakWell is a jackpot institute. It is town famous institute. It is a popular and famous institute. It is really famous for its 100% feedback. If I talk about its classes, there are several classes are connected here, such as advanced grammar, impressive presentation, personality development, group discussion, and many more classes are connected here. If I talk about its facility, a modern and updated podium, a glorious whiteboard, a spectacular office mat and table, and many more facilities are there. If I talk about, okay, let's jump it. Director. The director is Mr. Manjar Ansari sir. He is a modest, he is a punctual, he is a man of letter, and he is a man of action. If I talk about his teaching and convincing style, then his teaching and convincing style just wow, outstanding. If I talk about its feedback, the feedback of SpeakWell is really worth appreciated, admirable. Each and every students are satisfied here. We get up to do facilities, up to do education. Apart from this, is truly famous for its 100% feedback, because whoever student have been done their course from this institute, they are exceptionally good in English speaking, such as Bunty Tiwari, Ahmad Sikandar, Aftab Alam, and many more students have done their course from this institute. If I frankly say that it allows to her, to be honest, I am a huge admirable fan of sir, because whatever I speak in English just due to sir and SpeakWell family. Now I am in my presentation. If you have any question, then please ask. Okay, Mr. You pop up your question.
Allow me to ask the questions. How many classes are conducted here?
There are several classes are connected here.
Could you please tell me their name?
Yes, sure. Advanced grammar, impressive presentation, personality development, group discussion, campus debate, seminar, English read paper, reading, book apps.
Which class do you read?
I like impressive presentation.
Which class do you read?
Impressive presentation.
I am wondering how many students in your batch?
There are about 20 students in my batch. Okay, Mr. Aftab, you come to your question.
What about facility in this institute?
There are several facilities in this institute.
Could you please tell them?
Yes, sure. A modern and updated podium, a spectacular office, a glorious whiteboard, a mat and table.
Which facility do you like most?
I like a magnificent and spectacular office.
Why do you like office?
Since that is good. Okay, Mr. You pop up your question.
Thank you for allowing me to ask 2 questions. What do you think about feedback of the SpeakWell?
I think the feedback of SpeakWell is really admirable.
How many students have done their courses from this institute?
There are many students have done their courses.
Could you please tell me their name?
Aftab Alam, Bunty Tiwari, Ahmad Sikandar, and many more.
Who is the best speaker of the SpeakWell?
Bunty Tiwari.
Have you met her?
Sorry, I didn't meet her.
Thank you for allowing me to ask the question. What do you think about its director?
I think the director of SpeakWell is very hardworking person.
How is the teaching and convincing style of director?
His teaching and convincing style just outstanding.
Do you like teaching and convincing?
Yeah, sure, I like it. Okay, miss, you go ahead.
Thank you for allowing me to ask the question. When did you think to join Spectrum?
I think 2 months ago.
How was the first day?
My first day was just wow.
Did you take any inquiry?
Sorry, I didn't take any inquiry.
What about your class this day?
Just awesome.
What did you think to Spectrum?
I think Speakwell is a outstanding institute. Well, guys, thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, make a noise for him. For his magnificent performance. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the Divyang for know about his performance. So, Miss Divyang, could you please tell me how was performance?
His performance was breathtaking.
Did you like this performance?
Yeah, of course, I like this performance.
Thank you.